Bhagawan Sri Sathya Sai Baba's divine message. Om Sri Sai Ram. The bird. For the bird in mid-ocean, flying over the dark, deep blue waters, the only resting place is the mast of a ship that is sailing across. In the same way, the Lord is the only refuge for a man who is swept by storms over a restless sea. However far the bird may fly, it knows where it can rest. That knowledge gives it confidence. It has the picture of that mast steady in its mind. Its form is fixed in the eye. The name of the Lord is the mast for you. Remember it ever. Associate it with the form and have that form fixed in your mind's eye. It is a lamp shedding light in the recesses of your heart. Have the name on your tongue, and it will drive away the inner as well as the outer darkness. Sri Sathya Sai Speaks, Volume 2, page 181. Jai Sai Ram.